Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Patreon to a US bank account step by step clearly. To withdraw your funds from Patreon to a US bank account, start by logging into your Patreon account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Earnings. You will see your available balance displayed here. Next, locate the Withdraw button and click on it. If you haven't set up a payment method, you will be prompted to do so. Select Add a payment method to link your US bank account. Enter your banking details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. After entering your details, click Save to complete the process. Now return to the Withdraw section. You will see the option to withdraw your funds to the newly added bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your withdrawal request before proceeding. Once confirmed, click the Withdraw button to submit your request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal is being processed. Patreon will usually process your withdrawal within a few business days. Check your bank account to verify the funds have been deposited. That's how you can withdraw from Patreon to a US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.